Hi guys, and welcome back to Art Shop channel. Okay guys, we're going to make another topping for our fake donuts, and here I have the donut that is going to have this luxury topping on. Now, what topping is it, I hear you ask? Well, let me tell you all. Today we're going to make a topping of chocolate sauce, and then we're going to put fake nuts on, and then I'm going to drizzle it with chocolate sauce, fake of course. And yes, without further ado, let me show you how you do that. Okay, so this is it. This is our donut, and what we need to do first is we get our chocolate sauce. And basically what I'm going to do is use this product, which is an acrylic paint by Marie's, and it's burnt umber. Now, I don't know whether you know this, but burnt umber is the colour you need for chocolate, fake chocolate. Yes, that's right guys, you heard it here first. So burnt umber is the colour you need no matter what acrylic paint you're buying. Okay, so what I'm going to try and do is I've got my brush and I'm going to paint it all on. Now, this may work, it may not, but I think I did it like this before. Yeah, see, straight away it looks like chocolate, doesn't it? So I'm just going to go around like that quite liberally, and I'm going to try and run a little bit down the side in a minute, if that's at all possible. Now let me just try and get the paint out, that would help. And yeah, so we just sort of got to try to make it as if you poured it, which is easier said than done guys. But saying that, at the end of the day, this is going to be covered with nuts in a minute, and so it won't really matter, to be quite honest. So yes, let me just go with the flow. That was a big bit. Better try and put that over there. Yes, see? Now, doesn't that look like chocolate? I mean, yes it does. I hear you ask. Hear you ask? I hear you say. Okay, so there we go. Now, what I said was I was going to try and run a piece down the side, you know, like it'd be running, because that's what it would do in real life. Now, this may work, it may not. So I'm just going to offer it. And I think it is working. Can you see that? I can't put it up too much because it will, yeah, so it's sort of running. Can you see that? Oh my God, that's amazing. You've got to be careful with this though, with the running technique, because you know, you can put too much and it doesn't really work. It doesn't look very effective guys, and we don't want that. So let me see, a little bit more on there I think. Okay, so we've got our chocolate. Lovely, isn't it? Lovely bit of chocolate on there, absolutely marvellous. It's making me very hungry making this, and such a shame I can't eat it. Okay, so let me just do that. I think because that drip worked, I'm going to do another one sort of over here. I might do it on that crack, and then that'll cover that up. See how I'm thinking? It's sort of got to be careful with drips, like I say, because you can over drip, and that's not good if you over drip. Oh my goodness me, no. Okay. Let me just go back around there. I've got to be careful I don't touch any of this because it will ruin it. Oh yeah, there, look. See? Hold on, let me zoom in. Look at that. Absolutely marvellous. Oh, look at it glistening. Right, I've got to be careful. I said, oh, be careful not to touch it. And what did I do? Touched it. Okay, but I think I got away with it. It was on the drip as well. I'll just cover that up. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. So we got our chocolate on there. Now you could just leave it like that, but we're not going to do that. No, that's not the way we roll here. That's not the way I roll, so it's not going to happen. So we're going to do that, and I've got a bit of paint left on my brush. I just want to get that on. But it does look like runny chocolate, I must admit. I'm really pleased with the effect. Absolutely marvellous. Look at that. Absolutely. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is put nuts on the top. Now, you're probably saying, Simon, how do I make fake nuts? Well, it's quite easy actually. All you need to do is buy some corn cob. Now, you're probably thinking, like I did, what is corn cob? Well, let me tell you, corn cob is what they use for animal bedding. Don't ask me what animals use it, but perhaps you'll let me know in the comments below if you use it. But apparently it's used for that. And I've used it before when I wanted fake chopped nuts, by the way. I forgot to say that bit, chopped nuts. And without further ado, here it is. Fake chopped nuts. Don't they look like fake chopped nuts? Absolutely marvellous. Yes. But no, it's corn cob. Okay? So they won't go mouldy or anything like that. I've had these for, well, about 2 years. And I use them on other projects. So, yeah, not a problem. So, what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to put that there and make a little space. A little space, he says. And pop that on there like so. And then all I'm going to do is just like you would do normally when you're doing this kind of thing. Is just pop that on there. And because that paint is wet, it will... stick to it. See what I've done there? Absolutely marvellous, isn't it? See? Done. Nearly. Done and dusted. Okay, so some of those will fall off, but that's not going to be a problem because we get over those little issues. So let me pop that back and I'm going to pick it up carefully and then turn it upside down. Now where was that other drip? Okay, so there you go. So we've lost some. But that's not a problem. So let me take that out of the way. And here we have our chocolate sauce and with our chopped nuts. Okay, so that's absolutely amazing. Don't you think? Yes, I do. Okay, so you got that, so I'm really pleased with that. Now you could leave it like that, but I'm not. I'm going to use this product, and this is called 3D Doodle by ST, and it's a acid-free, water-based, non-setting, well it is setting, easy flow tip. Basically it's like thick paint. Okay, so it comes out like, say you were squirting in some chocolate sauce, so it comes out like that. Now hopefully I've got enough left in here to do this, so I'm just going to do that. So all you do is just take off the top, and there you go, you got your little top there. You see that? It's not really, yeah, see, you got your little top there, and I'm going to just sort of squeeze it and drizzle it like this over. Now, how will I do it? Good question. I think I might just do it like that to be easier. You could go up and down like that. But I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to do it like this. Okay, so all you do is squeeze. Now, it can be... Oh, see, it sort of blew off then. Did you hear that? It blew off and nearly blew everything. But hopefully, I might have to... I want you to see this, guys, because it's really exciting. Ooh, I might have to make sure it comes down. That would help. Okay. Oh, it's not coming out. This might be a fail, guys. Let me just put the top on and shake it a bit. Yeah, okay. I'm sure there's some in there because I just tried it. Okay. Let me try and get the stuff out. This is hilarious, isn't it? Because it's not coming out. Why is it not coming out? Is there any in there? Oh, yeah, there is some. Oh, not much though. I think this is going to be a fail. I think I need to get some more because this is not happening. Let me think on my feet. What can I use? I don't think I've got anything else. And there's nothing else there. Let me just quickly try it. Yeah. I'm just trying it off camera, guys, and it's not working. That's because it's empty. There's none in there. So after all that was a big fail. But anyway, this is all live and you get to see what's and all, and that's what it's all about. So I'm going to have to buy some more of this, and I will finish it off. But basically, I'll show you, you have to pretend on this one. So you just drizzle it slowly all the way around, like so, and then it looks like chocolate sauce. And I'm going to do that. I'm going to buy some more of this and do that, and then I will show you all when I put them all together and do the final clip of all these donuts I've made together. Okay, guys, so sorry I couldn't show you that, but, you know, this is the way it rolls in this day and age, and, you know, life's not perfect, so we get over it, don't we? So you just have to wait to see the final product. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye-bye for now.